How you going, team? So with our routines and exercises, workouts, we always have what we call progression and regression, which is harder exercise, easier exercise, so that we can always cater for everyone, and also we can always cater to our fatigue levels. So when I get more tired when I'm doing a harder exercise, I regress to the easier exercise. We always want to push you and promote for you to do the harder exercises, do as many as you can of those, and then hit the regression. So all of our exercises, we'll start with push up, we've got a progression, okay, on the feet here, progression, on the knees, regression. You can regress it further into box, okay, and you can progress it even further into a plyo press. Cool? So different levels. If you want to take it harder or easier, you can do that. Same with squats. Okay, you've got standard squat, a half squat, or pushing off your knee squat. Okay, then you've got a squat jump. Cool? Progressions, regressions. Rear lunge. Here. Bang. Stepping it back. Okay. Regression is stabilizing, pushing off your knees, helping with the strength. Okay, progression is the split jump. Cool, team? Burpee, one of our lovely fundamentals. Beautiful. Progression. Okay, jumping, clapping at the top. Regression, stepping, down, stepping back up. No jumping at the top. Core, crunches. Okay, sit up. Okay, it's our hard option. Easier, use the arms. Throw it up there. Okay, harder again. Full crunch. Guilty. So we apply that principle to everything. If you find there's something that you can't regress further, use your hands, okay? Or do a half repetition. Okay, if there's nothing else available, half the range. So instead of full squat, go halfway down. Cool? That's us, team. That's progression and regression, how we do it in our workouts.